If you saw my last video, you know I just launched a free stock footage library and giving early access to email subscribers. And it's going to help content creators and personal brands up their game. However, today we're going to dive into how you can use this stock footage to have a more engaging and more professional personal brand present. And that's all without spending hours shooting extra video footage for your videos. Welcome to another episode of Transformations, where I show tutorials and insights on video content creation, helping you grow your audience with trust and authenticity. Okay, so to start our discussion, I'm going to show you a video montage that I made for my friend Carlos. He does CrossFit training, and I needed someone to do exercises for my stock footage video. So we struck a partnership, I recorded him, and now it's available on a stock footage library. So hopefully these video clips have that energy that will allow any content creator to make their point with their personal brand of with whatever video content they're making. And while I'm using these video clips of CrossFit, I'm talking about the whole video clips that's available on the stock footage library. It doesn't matter if you're a CrossFit trainer or you're just a coach in Zen meditation or whatever it is, there's going to be something for you on the video library. So here are 5 ways that you can use the stock footage that you might have not thought about, or maybe you have thought about but it's presented in a different way. The first one I'm going to point out that a lot of people don't think about is that not only these are good for video content creation. For example, let's say that you want to go to investors or you want to do a pitch for some business type deal and you want to use a video presentation and you're a CrossFit trainer. Hey, here are some stock footage that you can use for your presentation. So that is one way that you can use B-roll that is not traditional or that a lot of people don't think about when they think about stock footage. A second way that you can use stock footage is for reaction videos. You know that reaction videos are popular right now. And for example, if you are a coaching instructor or an exercise instructor, you can watch these video clips and you can discuss his form, his training technique. You can discuss how you would do it, what would make different from what Carlos is doing in the video, and so on and so forth. So you can use the stock footage and give your own 2 cents and your own perspective. Of course, let's not leave out the traditional way to use stock footage, or you can use the stock footage with your own content that you do, or you can add that extra punch, that extra oomph to your video to make it more engaging and razzle dazzle so people stick watching to your video. Of course, you can modify the stock footage for social media, for TikTok and all that, and use quick cuts to the stock footage video, and you can mix it up with your own. You can add a narration or some subtitles to make a quick little video short that is like powerful and gets your message across, and you can grow your brand, your business, or whatever it is that you're trying to do with video. And of course, you can take this compilation of stock footage video, in this case example CrossFit, and you can repurpose it for other media platforms and creating these short powerful stories or reels or whatever it is that your platform of preference does in YouTube, TikTok, Clapper, or whatever, LinkedIn. That way you don't only have long videos and short videos, you always have stock footage available in between. You can create GIFs with it. Is it GIFs? I'm going to leave it GIFs. You can correct me in the comments if I'm pronouncing it wrong. You can use a single frame to use it as a Instagram post, picture Instagram post, and just comment, and so on and so forth. I'm just talking here like a few points, like 5 or 6, but there's like a lot of, and actually I had to cut a lot of points out just to make the video shorter. So just don't think of stock footage as a one way to use it. Think of it as how you can use the stock footage to create engaging content that will allow you to grow your personal brand or your business or your content creation journey here on YouTube. Of course, if you haven't seen the last video where I actually talk about the stock footage library, I'm going to roll the clip for the ad I made so you can see what to expect of the stock footage video library. So that's the type of video clip that you can expect when you access the stock footage library from Trust Videos. Remember, this goes public on December 3rd, but you can get early access by signing up on the newsletter. I'll have the link below and go check it out. Also, I'm not sure if by the time you are watching this video, I have already hit the 200 subscriber count. But if not, I'm very close to hitting it. So if you can chip in and just subscribe, that'll be great. I'm probably just this close to get to 200, this close. Now, if you just prefer just to check more details about the stock footage library, I discussed how to navigate it and all those details on my previous video. Go watch that video so you can get all caught up in all the details of the stock footage library. I'll see you over there, and always remember to enjoy your process and your journey.